Hello students, once again I am here for you. So let us start our today's topic, which is exercise 3.1. Under that we have to learn the multiplication of number by, our topic is multiplication of number by 100, 1000 and 10,000. So let us learn the rules for it first. Okay, suppose I am taking an example. Let's take a number 221 multiplied by 100. So if you want to get the answer, what is the rule for it? When we multiply a number or any number by 100, what we do? We write the number. We write the number and insert two zeros after the number, or insert two zeros right to the number. As in 100 two zeros are there, that is why I inserted two zeros. Okay, let us check it by arranging both the numbers column wise and multiplying it. So here I am multiplying by 0. So 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. One's place is over, so I am putting 1 0. Now multiply by this 0. 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 0 into 1 is again 0. Now we are multiplying by the hundreds place, so we will put two zeros. Now start multiplying. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2 and 1 into 1 is 1. Now we will add all the partial products. So add 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Again next column, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2 and 1. So see, when we multiplied, when we arranged both the numbers column wise and multiplied, what answer we got? We got the same answer, 1 to 1 double 0, 1 to 1 double 0. We got the same answer in both the cases. So it is the trick to be remembered. To avoid this large multiplication, what is the trick? The trick is whenever you want to multiply any given number by 100, what you will do? You will write the number and insert 2 0. Okay, you will write the number and insert 2 0. Let's take one more example. If your number is 31 and you want to multiply it by 100, what will be your answer? According to rule, according to trick, what will be your answer? You will write the number and insert two zeros, as two zeros are in 100. Okay, I showed you the way. Also, when we multiplied, actual multiplication we did, we got the same answer. Okay, so this is the trick. Now let's take more example. If you want to multiply, let's take the number 32. If you want to multiply 32 by 1000, then again what you will do? You will write the number 32 and insert 3 zeros, as 3 zeros in 1000. So you will insert 3 zeros in right to the number. Okay, this is the trick. If your number is 1261 multiplied by 1000. So do not do actual multiplication. Rather than doing the actual multiplication, use the trick. What is the trick? You will write the number 1261 and insert 1, 2, 3 zeros after the number, or right to the number. You will insert the 0 where? Right at right side of the number. Okay. Now again, if you want to multiply any number, a number is 463 by 10,000. If you want to multiply 463 by 10,000, then again what you have to do? You will write the number. You will write the number in the answer and insert 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros right to the number. So I have inserted 4 zeros right to the number. So I hope you got the trick. What is the trick to multiply by 100, 10,000, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh? What is the trick? You will write the number and insert the number of zeros according to the 100, 1000, lakh or 10,000. Okay, so I hope you got the trick. So let us do the exercise 2.1 question number, sorry, exercise 3.2 question number 1. Exercise 3.2, which is on book page number 39. Book page number 39. Question number 1. Part A. Question 1 is find the product. Find the product. 11 multiplied by 100. Okay, it is your question. See the solution here. 11 multiplied by 100 is, I told you the trick just few minutes ago. 11 multiplied by 100. So you will write the 11 and insert 2 zeros. So you got the product, you got the result. The result of multiplication is called product. It is your answer, right? Let us do the part B. Part B is 18 multiplied by 1000. 18 multiplied by 1000. Let us solve it. 18 multiplied by 1000 equals to what? What will be your answer? Tell me, what will be your answer? Right, you will write 18 and insert 1, 2, 3 zeros right side of the 18. Okay, you got your product. See how easy it is to multiply by 100, to multiply by 1000. Now let us take the part C. 130 multiplied by 1000. Now solve it. Can you tell me the answer? 130 multiplied by 1000. So what will be your answer? What will be your answer? Right, your answer will be, you will write 130 as it is your number and you are multiplying by 1000. So you will insert 3 zeros right to the 130. So your answer is now 1,30,000. Okay, so I hope you know now what we are doing, what is the trick, how to use this trick. Now I am doing the last L for you. Okay, the remaining question, that is D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, you will do by yourself. I am very sure that you can do the remaining questions. I am doing for L for you. So the question is multiply 918 by 1000. And what will be its solution? Multiply 918 by 1000. So what will be your answer? Yes, you will write the number 918 and insert 3 zeros as 3 zeros in 1000. So you will insert 3 zeros right to the 918. So this is how we do the question. We find the product when we multiply by 100, by 1000, by 10,000. Okay. Let us do the question number 2. The remaining questions you will do. Now let us do the question number 2. The question number 2 is also very easy. You have to just use the tricks for multiplying. Okay. So in question number 2, read the question. What is the question? Find the product using smart multiplication. What is the question? Find the product using smart multiplication. So here question A is given 11 multiplied by 99. What they have write? 11 multiplied by 99. They are not asking us to multiply column wise. They are not asking us to multiply like this. Okay, they have not arranged the numbers column wise. What they are asking to do? They are asking to do smart multiplication. So for smart multiplication, concentrate over here to multiply any number by 99. To multiply any number by 99, what you have to do? Multiply that number by 100, then subtract that number. Solve. What you will do? I am rewriting the question. 11 multiplied by 99. I am changing the step. That is why I am putting this employee sign. Okay, what you will do? 11 multiplied by 99 equals to 11 multiplied by, I am writing 100 minus 1, right? I can write 100 minus 9 to 99. Now multiply this 11 with 100 first. Multiply this 11 with 100 first. Then put the minus sign and multiply by the number. Sorry, subtract the number. Multiply 11 by 100 and subtract the 11. Okay, multiply by 100 and subtract 11. So multiply, when you multiply by 100, you will get 1100 and subtract 11. So when you subtract 11, what will left here? When you subtract 11 from 1100, what you will get? Tell me answer. Subtract 11 from 111. What you will get? You will get 1089 as the answer. So when you multiplied 11 by 99, you will get 1089 as the product. Okay. Let us do the part B. Part B is 28 multiplied by 99. 28 multiplied by 99. So I am rewriting the question. Okay, equals to. Now again, if you want to multiply any number by 99, then what you have to do? You can write this 99 as 100 minus 1. You can write 99 as 100 minus 1. We remember you have to write this 100 minus 1 in the small bracket. You have to write this 99 as in a small bracket. Okay. Now what is the trick? You will multiply this 28 by 100 first. Okay. And subtract the 28. You will multiply 28 by 100 and subtract the 28. Okay. Now multiply 28 by 100. You will get 2800 as product. Then minus sign. So put minus sign. 28 is written here. So write 28. Now observe this step. 2800 minus 28. 2800 minus 28. Subtract this. Arrange column wise and subtract. Your answer is 2772. Okay. I hope you can do C and D, C, D, E and F. E, F, G. You can do C, D, E, F, G very easily. Now I am doing H for you. Part H, 94 multiplied by 9. Now here you have to multiply 94 by 9 by using smart multiplication. So what you can do? 94 multiplied by 9. 94 multiplied by 9, you can write it like 94 multiplied by 10 minus 9, sorry 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, right? So I am writing 10 minus 1 in the bracket. Now you will multiply this 94 by 10 first. 94 multiplied by 10 minus 94 multiply 1. Okay, multiply both the numbers. 94 into 10 is 940, minus sign, so I am putting minus sign over here. 94 multiplied by 1. So 94, any number multiplied by 1 gives you the same result. So you got 94. Now in this step you observe that you have to perform subtraction operation. So subtract 94 from 940. Subtract 94 from 940 and give me the answer. What answer you are getting? My answer is 846. I hope you got the same answer. Okay, let us do part I, which is 15 multiplied by 49. Here also you have to do smart multiplication. So how you can write this 49? 15 multiplied by 49. Can I write it like 50 minus 1? Yes. So 15 multiplied by, how I am writing 49? 50 minus 1. We remember you have to write 50 minus 1 in a small bracket. Now you will multiply this 15 with 50 first, then put minus sign, then you will multiply 15 with 1. So 15 multiplied by 50, then minus sign, then 15 multiplied by 1. Now 50 multiplied by 50 is 15 fives are 75. My answer is 750. Then minus symbol, so I am putting minus symbol here. 15 into 1 is 15. Now subtract 15 from 750. Answer is 735. Right? I am doing. Now let us do the part J. J is 28 multiplied by 89. So how can you write this 89? You can write 100 minus 11, or you can write 90 minus 1. So 28 multiplied by 89. Write 28 multiplied by, how you can write this 89? You can write 90 minus 1, or you can write 100 minus 11 also. There are so many ways. Now multiply 28 by 90 first. 28 multiply by 90, then put this minus symbol. Now multiply this 28 by 1. So 28 multiplied by 1. Now multiply both the numbers. Okay, so when I multiplied 90 with 28, my answer is 2520 minus 28. Okay, now subtract 28 from this. Subtract and tell me the answer. is the final answer. Okay, so our exercise 3.2 is over here. The remaining questions you have to do by yourself and check your answers from backside of your book, or I will provide you the PDF also. Till then, bye students.